Adding a hot shoe flash to your photography gear can be a great way to expand your capabilities as a photographer. But are you confused about which hot shoe flash to invest in? Well, in this video, I will share with you 10 things that you should consider before buying your next hot shoe flash. So let's get started. If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video. Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I'm gonna share with you 10 points that you should consider before buying your next hot shoe flash. They're not very complicated. We'll just go through the various features a hot shoe flash has so that you can buy the best hot shoe flash out there. So let's flash into it. Some flashes are entirely manually controlled, while others have both manual and automatic mode called the TTL or through the lens mode. So if you're a beginner, it's better to invest in a flash that has TTL mode so that you can get used to the flash settings, and then maybe you can buy a manual flash once you become a pro. Also, manual flashes will be cheaper than TTL flashes. My flash can tilt all the way, not this way, so I can bounce it, place it directly on my subject, set it to any direction. Have a look at the tilting range of your flash in the description before you buy it. The more your flash head can rotate and tilt, the more flexibility you will get in bouncing your flash off different directions and surfaces. Make sure the flash tilts up to bounce it off the ceiling, as well as both sides, as these are the directions in which you will mostly be bouncing your flash. So it's okay if it does not tilt this way. Every camera has a flash sync speed. Like my camera Nikon D5300 has a flash sync speed of 1/200 seconds. Meaning when I use my flash, I cannot raise my shutter speed faster than 1/200 seconds. So if your flash is equipped with high speed sync, you can raise it above that value. Now this becomes very useful if you are shooting outdoors because in a shutter speed of 1/200, you are likely to get an overexposed or a fully blown out image because your flash is also lighting the subject along with the powerful sun. Sadly for me, my flash is equipped with high speed sync, but my camera is not. So there are different flashes available for various brands. Like I have bought my Godox TT685N for Nikon camera, and I cannot use it on Canon or Sony camera. So please check if your camera is compatible with your flash. Some old cameras may not be compatible with the new flash versions. To avoid throwing light on areas that you don't want to photograph in the picture, the flash has a zoom setting as well. On auto or TTL mode, the flash zoom is selected automatically. When used with manual mode, you set the zoom setting. So check if the zoom range of your flash is enough so that you can take good shots and highlight only particular parts of the scene. If I fire the flash and immediately fire again, did you notice the flash did not fire? After a few seconds, it will fire back on. Now, the flash recycling time is the amount of time taken by the flash to shoot again. So if you shoot a lot of action, it's a wedding photography for example, you may need quick recycling speed because you have to take multiple shots frequently. But if you are into portrait photography, it may not be very important. A flash's guide number states how far the flashlight can reach on optimal camera settings. So higher the guide number, further I can place my subject and not worry about the flashlight hitting the subject. So my power can decrease from a certain point, but I definitely cannot increase the flash power more than what it can produce. Some horseshoe flashes allow bigger capacity external batteries to be used. There are several benefits of using external batteries. So this can dramatically increase my flash recycling time, and I can shoot for a longer period of time with a single charge. Remember that a flash is just like any other light bulb. It will not last you forever and will eventually break down. So you should know how long normally the flash lasts so that you are ready with a replacement whenever needed. Most flashes become hot, especially after heavy usage. And when they do become hot, they may operate at a lower power or completely shut down. So you should be aware how your flash handles temperature before putting it through a rigorous shooting session. So guys, I hope you found these tips to be useful, and it's okay if your flash does not have all these features, but you should know which features are there in your flash and where it lacks. And don't just blindly buy gear just because your friends have it, or it's in the trend, or just in the sake of buying new gear. Shortlist a few flashes as per your budget and then compare them as per these features and select the best one. And I hope my video helps you do that. In case it does, give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about which flash photography tutorials you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. This is my previous tutorial. Please go check it out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.